did you take the time to actually reflect on 2018 and take a look at the learnings as a whole? A lot of us surface reflect, and that was me for years, where we take a look, we're like, oh yeah, I think I know what I learned, or those were great things, or those were the obstacles, but we never get into the meat, or a lot of us don't. And why don't we do this? It's because we're actually scared as to what we're gonna figure out or what we're gonna find. This has been me for years. And this year, I finally took the time to actually take a look holistically at the year. I reflected on all the wins, all the adventures, all the excitement, but also all of the challenges and obstacles, the reasons why goals didn't get hit, the reasons why things didn't get done, why those certain things happened for me. And it was not happy. But it was a really, really amazing space to be in because I learned so much about myself in one session in a few hours of reflecting on time. So if you have not taken a look at 2018, you are missing the mark because what you learn about 2018 can be chosen to move forward into 2019, or you can choose to close the door on it this year, tie a bow around it, thank the universe for the lesson, and move through. It's up to you though, what you do. And if you don't take the time to sit with yourself and reflect, I can pretty much guarantee you that those lessons and those obstacles are gonna show up again in 2019. Now, if you do not want that to happen, step in, take responsibility, own the space, and move through it. It's time that we all start to do this in all aspects of our life so we can get the results and make the impact in the world that we're supposed to make. Over the next week, you guys are gonna see more videos on setting up your year, things to take into consideration and move through, but this first video of 2019 talks about reflection because it's a key piece in your movement forward in 2019. I'll see you soon.